In this video, we're going to show how you can just do the initial setup and connection. So first we need to verify that we have the plugins installed. LiveLink is installed here, enabled. And over here in Maya, we're going to make sure that the plugin is installed as well. LiveLink, there it is. It's installed and auto-loaded. Next thing we're going to do is launch it, Unreal LiveLink. There it is. It's not connected, so we're going to go back over here and open up window LiveLink. It'll bring up this window here, which then we can add the source to connect the two together. So let's do that. And then we select this particular message bus, which is the one that's being broadcast from Maya, and then it adds it. There it is. So now we have a connection. It's a valid connection, and we can add things to the list, which we'll do in the next round.